Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. And today we are going to, this is our lecture number 3, exercise 5D, and chapter is fraction. Okay, chapter number 5. And let's see this question here. We have to compare the fractions 7 by 12 and 9 by 16. So how we can compare? Let's see. First of all, we know that since the denominator is different, so this is a unlike fraction. So now we will convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. How we can convert? See the process. The first step is find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 12 and 16. So what is the LCM of 12 and 16? You can take LCM here. 2, 6 the 2, 8 the 2, 3 the 2, 4 the. So what is the LCM? 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 4 the 48. So the LCM is 48. Now we will convert this unlike fraction into its equivalent fraction having denominator 48. Now convert unlike fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 48. Okay, with denominator 48. So 7 by 12 equal. So if you want denominator 48, you have to multiply 12 by 4. So to make equivalent fraction, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So here we will get 28 by 48 and 9 by 16. Here we have to multiply 16 3 is 48 into 3 and into 3, both in the numerator and the denominator. So this is 27 by 48. Now since 28 by 48, now this is a like fraction. Now we have converted into like fraction with same denominator, and we know how to compare like fraction. Just compare the denominator. Since 28 is greater than 27, so therefore 28 by 48 will be greater than 27 by 48. So therefore this shows that 28 by 48 means 7 by 12. This implies 7 by 12 will be greater than 9 by 16. Okay, in this way we will compare these two fractions. Okay, now let's see another problem. See exercise 5D, question number 18. We have to arrange this fraction 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 7 by 8 in ascending order. Okay, we have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, so how we can arrange? First convert this, since the denominators are different, so therefore this is an unlike fraction. First convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So what is the first step? Take LCM of the denominator. LCM of 2, 4, 6 and 8. What is the LCM? 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2 times 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 2 times 1, 1, 3 and 2. So 2 to the 4, 3 are 12 to the 24. 24 is the LCM. Now we will convert this convert unlike fraction into its equivalent fraction having denominator 24. Okay, having denominator 24. So we have to multiply. So to make the denominator 24, we have to multiply 2 by 12. So 1 into 12 divided by 2 into 12. Again here we have to multiply 3 into 4, 6 are 24. 3 into 6 divided by 4 into 6. Again we have to multiply here 5 by 6 4 5 into 4 divided by 6 into 4. And here we have to multiply 8 3 are 24, because denominator we have, in order to make the denominator 24 we have to multiply 8 by 3. So to make the equivalent fraction we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 7 into 3 divided by 8 into 3. So we get the like fraction 12 by 24, 18 by 24, 20 by 24 and 21 by 24. So now this is a like fraction. This is a like fraction. Now we know how to compare the like fraction. Just compare the denominator. Okay. Just compare the numerator and you will get the answer. So which one is out of 12, 18, 20, 21? Which one is ascending order, means from lowest to highest? Which one is lowest? 12 by 24. So 12 by 24 is lowest. Okay. So here, from here come here. 12 by 24 will be lowest, is greater than the next highest will be 18 by 24. Okay. 18 by 24. Now the next highest will be 20 by 24 and the next highest will be 21 by 24. Okay. So you say that this fraction is greater than this, and this is greater than this, and this is greater than this. Okay. So therefore we can say that half, 12 by 24 is half. This is 3 by 4. It is greater than 3 by 4. It is greater than 5 by 6. And it is greater than 7 by 8. So this is the fraction in ascending order. Okay. In this way you have to compare it. And your today's homework will be (16 to 30). Exercise 5D, 16 to 30. Okay. Complete it, and thanks for watching the video.